잘 먹겠습니다. In all the Buldak Ramen Challenge, I've done the carbonara one, I've done the cheese, and now I only have 2 flavors left. I have the choice between the regular one and the 2 times spicy. I think we should start a little bit slow and go with the regular one, so I'm gonna go with the regular one for today. This is the Buldak Artificial Spicy Chicken Flavor Stir-Fried Ramen. Inside we have the 2 packets. That's the flakes, and that's the sauce. Time to add the sauces. I want to add the flakes first. Now it's time to add the sauce. And now it's time to mix. The noodles are ready! It doesn't smell like anything special. I want to spice things up by having someone asking me questions while I eat this. 잘 먹겠습니다! I'm gonna take my first bite and then the game's gonna start. Yeah.
What is the capital of South Korea?
So.
Germany.
Dublet!
Alger.
Alger?
Portugal.
Portugal?
Argentina.
Argentina, it's Argentine. Paris is the capital of France.
What is 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2 go 4.
95 minus 30.
82?
10 times 10.
100.
1000 times 1000.
1000 times 1000. A million?
Wow! Now let's talk about general knowledge. Who was the president of the USA between 2016 and 2019?
Trump.
No, it's Donald Trump.
I said it!
Which country won the 2014 FIFA World Cup?
Brazil?
Yeah, and now it's Brazil. It's Germany. What is the altitude of Mount Everest? Between response A, 8849 meters, 4247 meters, 3600 meters, or 9587 meters.
I don't know. Gonna have a hint.
It's very high.
So I took the highest one.
And that was the response A, so it was 8849 meters.
Thank you.
Among these vehicle brands, name those that come from South Korea. Delulu, Polestar, Hyundai, Kia, Toyota, Mazda, Ford, Mitsubishi, Subaru, C.
Hyundai.
Okay, after.
Deu?
What do you say?
Deu?
Yeah, after.
Can you repeat, please?
Delulu, Polestar, Hyundai, Kia, Toyota, Mazda, Ford, Mitsubishi, Subaru, C.
Mitsubishi is Japanese. Subaru is Japanese. I have a hint.
It's a brand that someone has.
Oh, I was sure. I thought it was Brazilian. Kia.
Yeah. What is the largest South Korean technology company?
Samsung.
Yeah, and can you tell me
Another one. Samsung and LG. LG. LG.
Yeah. Let's do a voice actor like test. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready for the next game. I know. The Samsung that is fast. No? Yes, and firm. The rats. This is fast.
watching this.
Miraculous Ladybug. Ayoko!
C'est comme pour
Now this is the next game. This is called Baccalaureate. So basically I think you're given a letter and you have to find whether a name, city, color, animal, stuff in that said letter. So that's the game. So let's go. Stop. L?
Oui, yes.
Okay, so the letter is L.
First name.
Name, lorry.
Object.
Object, lamp.
Animal.
Animal,
City or country. Job.
job, I'm a I don't know.
Fruit or vegetable.
Lychee.
Character or celebrity.
Celebrity Liam Hemsworth.
And to finish, anatomy.
My lips.
Perfect. You have 80 points. A.
Stop.
R.
R. Letter is R.
First name.
Rafiki.
Project.
Ramp.
Animal.
Raccoon.
Name 3 countries. Or city.
Rwanda. Wow.
Of Morocco.
Raja. Raj. Rabba.
Last one.
Last one. Dominican Republic. Is that?
Job.
I'm a rapper. Fruit. Vegetable. I was gonna say rabbit. That's not a fruit. I love to eat hamburger. I don't know. Radish. Celebrity. Rihanna.
Wow.
Anatomy. No. My ribs. I'm terrible at this game.
You failed.
I know. That's all. That was not it. That was not it. This is the last bite. Okay, so that was me trying the Buldak Ramen original flavor while trying to answer questions that were obviously not so hard, but I couldn't focus, I couldn't think at all. Please don't think that I am dumb, okay? I definitely know answers to these questions. It's just I wasn't able to think while eating, especially since this video was not really prepared so well. I just asked someone to ask me questions while I ate this because I thought it was going to be spicy. This was absolutely not spicy at all. I mean, for me, I don't know, for people who are really sensitive with spicy things would think this is spicy, but this was not spicy at all. Let me know in the comments if you have tried the regular one. What do you think about the regular one? Was it good? Was it spicy? Would you recommend this to a friend? Maybe this is spicy for you. For me, it was not spicy at all. So for the spicy level, I would say a 0 out of 10. And this is absolutely not spicy. This is the least spicy of all the 3 that I've tried. The carbonara was spicier and the cheese was spicy. It was enjoyable. It was not spicy at all, to be honest. For the taste, I would say a 6, a 6.5, I don't know, 7. Okay, alright, let's go for 7. For the taste, I would say a 7 out of 10. It was definitely good. It was not bad. It was enjoyable. It was tasteful. It was not super tasteful like the carbonara one, but it was good, honestly. I'm not disappointed in this for the taste. I'm disappointed in the spiciness because I thought it was going to be spicy. 7 out of 10 for the taste. That's a good rate for me because if I give you a 7, that means that I like you. Would I recommend this to my friend? Definitely. Absolutely would recommend this to anyone that wants to try the Buldak ramen line. This is the OG and they did a good job making a ramen that's that good, to be honest, because it does not disappoint. If I want to eat something super fast, that's really easy to make, I would go for this one, absolutely. If I want to have a good time and be comforted on a rainy day, I would go for the carbonara one. If I want to hate what I'm eating, I'll go for the cheese one. That's all the ratings for this buldak ramen. The last ramen that I have to try is the too hot spicy. I hope that it's actually spicy because I thought it was gonna be throwing flames, to be honest. I'm gonna be honest with you, I thought that was gonna be painful, but this one was not painful at all. So I don't know, I absolutely don't know. I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but maybe people who try the original one do certain stuff to make it more spicy, but I only added the flakes and the sauce, so that's that. Go watch the carbonara video and the cheese video to see what I think about them, and I see you there. Like the video and subscribe for more content. I see you next time. Bye!